In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do an atomic bomb in the strongest battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process of setting up an atomic bomb effect in the strongest battlegrounds. Keep in mind that this is only going to work in a private server, and you will have to do it as Blade Master, and if you have private server plus. So it is a little bit unfortunate. It is just something that is cool to look at, but you will not be able to do it in actual gameplay. So keep that in mind. It's only for private servers and not actual gameplay. So when you are in a private server, you have to go over here to the settings and change some stuff. First, you will have to change the cooldown. Make sure that you set this to no cooldown, and afterwards, set this to no stun. Once you activate no cooldown and no stun, you can scroll down here, and under the moveset option, you will have to enable dual moveset. As you can see, once again, you do need private server plus, so I'm only talking about what you need to enable. Afterwards, you can go over here and change the damage multiplier to make sure that the atomic bomb completely obliterates your opponent. Once you change the damage multiplier, you make sure that you have dual moveset and no stun, no cooldown. You are basically good to go. Now, you will be able to reset your character, and this will give you the dual moveset if you are already alive. And once you get the dual moveset, just start spamming the sunrise move. When you go over to a dummy or any other person who is on your private server, start spamming sunrise. Just use sunrise over and over and over again. And then once you stop using sunrise, you will see it connect with the enemy, and you will see all of the effects go out at once. So it is going to basically look like a big atomic bomb is going off. I hope I was able to help you on how to do atomic bomb in the strongest battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.